Alright, so heaps of people have said that our video showing this purple rain stuff was not exactly accurate because we were using the gurney, and they reckon that the gurney will do just as good a job as it will with this fallout remover. So what we're going to do today is we're going to prove on these dirty wheels on our Toyota 86, which is caked with brake dust. We're going to prove that this stuff actually does make a difference, and the gurney on its own won't do as good a job. And so this side, what we're going to do is we're just going to use a low pressure wash instead of the high pressure wash and see what we can get out of the purple rain on this instead. You can see the difference on this one. You can see where it's road grime. See how it's not turning purple up there? So that's road grime, and that's obviously brake deposits. So big difference between what's happening. Like if you pour purple rain on anything, it will only turn purple if it's got iron deposits. And we're going to now just use low pressure to see what the result is. Alright, so what's left there is actually road grime and not brake dust, and as you can see that comes off extremely easily. So now what we'll need to do is that's basically a job for a sponge, some soap, but all the hard to remove brake dust is already gone. There you go, that should hopefully shut a few people up.